Hi girls, so it's my favorite time of the year. It's the time where you can literally smell that winter's around the corner and you can smell that festive Diwali spirit in the air. I remember I was telling my friend a few days back that you can smell Diwali in the air and smell the nip, and she was like, what are you talking about? It's still 38 degrees outside, it's so hot. Which is true, but I don't know, as soon as it's October and you start, the Dussehra goes away, etc., you start feeling that favorite time of the year when you're with your family, etc., which is Diwali is coming close. And my Diwalis are actually not spent in Delhi. I spend them in Hyderabad with my in-laws, and Diwali there is much more low-key than it is in Delhi. I mean, you don't really hear those many loud firecrackers, and you don't see those many diyas around, but I still love Diwali as a festival nevertheless. So for all of you who are going out to Diwali parties, or even in the run-up to Diwali, all the Tash parties, this is a nice tutorial for Diwali. It's a simple, easy, festive look, and I've used mostly gold shades, so literally you could be wearing anything and this would go with all your Indian wear. So let's get started. So I've already put on my foundation, my concealer, as well as my eyeshadow primer, and I will link a video to see how I did that right over here, and then I'll get started with the eyes first. So first, take any kind of deep brown eyeshadow. I'm taking this one right here from my Reveal palette, but literally you could just take any one which is your favorite kind of crease shadow. And then take your fluffy brush, which is the MAC 217, which is the one I use, and lightly put this in. Tap the excess off, and then look directly into the mirror, and wherever your crease line is, just put it over there, and then look below and start doing soft round motions with this. Just ensure that you don't get any harsh lines and that you're blending all the way up. I'm also going to go and deposit this a bit in the outer corner. So next I'll be taking a bronze eyeshadow over here, which is just a little bit shimmery, and apply it all over my lid. Then take a little bit of the darker eyeshadow that you had just put and put it on your lower lash line. And finally, just to add a little bit of a pop since it's the festive season, I'm taking one of MAC's pigments. Pigments are basically like these loose kind of powder eyeshadows, and they are very high concentration of color. I think these came out in the Surf Baby collection, so they're not available anymore. But basically this is like a very saturated kind of copper color. And these are crushed pigments, so you basically put your finger in and then you can crush them and apply them directly. So I'm just going to take a bit of this and apply it right at the center of my lid. And as you can see, it just immediately adds a sparkle to your eyes. You can now just blend it in. I'm also going to take a little bit of pigment on the brush and extend that all the way to the outer corner. And finally, take your black liner and put a crisp black line across your upper lash line. And for this look, since you're wearing Indian wear, I definitely want an element of kajal, so I'm going to go ahead and line my lower lash line as well. Then use your smudging brush and smudge your kajal in. And finally, curl your lashes and add mascara. So once you're done with the eyes, you can start with the rest of your face. I'm using MAC Peach Twist Blush, which is a nice peachy kind of almost bronzy color, which will complement the eyes. So next I'm taking the Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick, which is one of my favorite highlighters, and I'm just going to put in my blush brush over the top over here, and then apply highlighter just on my cheekbones, going up in a C shape to under my eyebrow. And this just, as you move your face, this just adds a very nice shine and glow. And then you can just apply your highlighter anywhere else that you think your light would naturally hit your face. On the bridge of your nose, your cupid's bow, and at the bottom. Moving on to lipstick, I'm using the Deborah Atomic Matte, I think it's called Atomic Red Matte 03. And this again is in the peach kind of a nude family, which complements the entire gold makeup look. And finally, adding gloss, I'm using Lakme Absolute Gloss in Rust Crush. And that's it, you're all set to celebrate Diwali and all the other festivals that come up in October. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you guys.